Good morning to you. You need one of these today. We're going to do a quick workout, work in, whatever you want to call it. You're at home, inside, you're outside. The weather is absolutely beautiful this morning. And I think I told you last week that this week we were going to have a ball. And remember, when I come to you for your kids camp workouts, I'm coming to you reminding you that you do not have to spend oodles of time. Coming from a past elementary school teacher, talking to you parents and caregivers for little kiddos, little burst of time of exercise is fantastic as these kids are working on their schoolwork from home. So fitting in 5 minutes, 10 minutes of movement is just really super beneficial. You don't have to spend an hour straight of exercise. We all like little chunks of time when it comes to our workouts. So I'm going to show you today with one ball. It can be a basketball, it can be any kind of ball, playground ball, but preferably about this size. We're going to do a variety of exercises using the ball. If you've got a weighted ball and you want to try that, absolutely go for it. I have a coin. I'm going to be flipping the coin. This is what we did in our early morning boot camp class today. We did a coin flip workout where heads meant we did one set of exercises, tails meant we did another. Well, today for the coin flip for you all, it's going to mean reps. So if I flip a heads, or if the coin lands on heads, you're going to have 10 reps. If the coin lands on tails, you have 20 reps of the exercise, or 20 seconds, depending on what we're doing. All right, I'm going to turn the music on. I hope you've got time to go, or during this time you went and grabbed a ball, and I hope you work along with us. Doesn't matter your age, doesn't matter your fitness level. We're just going to get moving. Short period of time, and all movement matters. All right, so I'm Coach Allison. If I didn't say that, with Bowling Green Backyard Boot Camp, my music's getting ready to start, and I want you to join me down on the ground with your ball. Actually, let's start standing. Music volume is coming up. Are you ready for some movement today? I've got my mat right here with my coin. We're going to start with your ball, and we're just going to tap your toes side to side. So let me move that out a little bit. Tap it side to side. Tap, tap. Now take your ball and just press it out. So by holding on to this ball, we're getting our upper body involved. We've got our lower body involved with those taps. Let's do 8 more right here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now we're going to change it. Just give me a knee up. Knee up. Holding on to that ball. Now take that ball. Touch your knee. Oh yeah. Getting warmed up. Lower body, core, upper body a little bit. Now give me fast feet right here. Take that ball out and in as you run those feet. 10, 9, 8, 7. Get warmed up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now we're going to do a little squat. Remember, when you squat, like you're sitting back in a chair, you're going to swing that ball down between your knees and lift it right up to shoulder level. 4. Let's see who's coming on this morning. Good morning, Laura. Down and up. Go back to those fast feet. Press it out. Pull it in. Press it out. Pull it in. You ready for a half jumping jack? Here we go. You're going to take one heel, press it out. You can make it a hop. And if you're ready, take it to a full jumping jack. Now, if you're feeling extra crazy, toss this ball up. So as you're doing your jacks, toss that ball. 4, 3. If that doesn't work for you, just hold it right here. Great job. With straight legs, I want you to fold over. Touch the ball to the ground. Okay, y'all. 4. Should be feeling warmed up. Great job. Give me rainbows. Circle over your head. Now do whatever you want with your legs. I'm kind of lowering myself down to make sure you can see me. Touching my shoulder, drawing a rainbow over my head. Let's do this, y'all. 4 more. 3 more. 2. And 1. All right, we're taking it down to the floor today, or the ground, wherever you are. Let's make sure that you can see me there. All right, so remember what I said. I've got one ball. I have one coin. You could do this with a coin, without a coin. It's just an extra element of fun. And don't we all love a little extra element of fun? So if I flip heads, 10, tails, 20 reps. We're going to twist. seated position. Hope my volume's okay. Talk to me if it's too loud. Okay, so we're gonna go down to the floor. If you need to do this standing, you can totally do this standing. So I got my coin. It landed on heads, so we've got 10 reps. We're gonna take your ball and touch it side to side while twisting. If you're standing, just stand and twist. 10 reps, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you're breathing, hold your abs in. The further back you lean back, the more you're gonna feel this. We're gonna say that's 10. See, I start talking and get off of my counts. Ball is gonna go right here at your feet. Let's flip the coin. Ooh, we got 20 reps, you all. You're gonna lie back. You're gonna take your ball right here under your feet. You're gonna lift your hips. That ball is gonna wanna roll around. Your whole body's gonna have to kick in. Your muscles are working. 20 of these bridges. Ready? Here we go. Ball underneath your feet. 1, 2, 3. If you don't have a ball, keep going. You do not have to have a ball. You can just have your feet on the ground. Let's say you're gonna do 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Fantastic job. All right, we're gonna do a seated weave next. You're gonna hold your ball and you're going to do a little crunch and weave this ball under your leg. Every time I bring the ball up under my leg, I'm gonna bring my chest and my knee close. Every time I'm up above my leg, I'm gonna lean back. Where'd my coin go? Here it is. How many? We've got 10. Ready? Got your ball, lean back, hold it in one hand, lift that leg, weave it under. There's 1. Here's 2, 3, 4, 5. What if you don't have a ball? You're just gonna pretend. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we're gonna switch from reps to seconds now, and I'm just gonna count them. Did you know if you've got a good sturdy ball, even if you've got a playground ball, we've done this before at boot camp, you can hold a plank with that ball. The ball's gonna be wobbly, it's gonna make your core have to work a little bit harder. You can do this right above your kneecaps, or you can push up into a plank. So 10 seconds if I land on heads, 20 seconds if I land on tails. What's it gonna be? It's just 10 seconds, y'all. So I'm gonna count down from 10. If you're using a ball, you again don't have to use a ball, but if you're using a ball, keep it right under your chest, shoulders, right over those wrists. Are you ready? A 10-second count. Here we go. Remember, you can be above your kneecaps and still get a great benefit here. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Fantastic job. This time, you're gonna stay on your knees. You're gonna sit all the way back onto your heels. Press that ball up overhead. If you've got a weighted ball, aren't you in luck? Let's say you don't have a ball and you've got a small child, or you've got something that you can pick up carefully, of course, with a little bit of weight. You could do that. We're gonna do our coin and see. Oh, y'all, it's another 10. I'm not getting any tails. So we're gonna sit all the way back, push that ball up to the sky. 10 of these, here we go. 10, drive it up. 9, every time I'm pressing my ball up, I'm bringing my hips forward, tightening up my buns. We all need to work the lower body. We all need to work the core. I'm gonna say we've got 2 more and 1 more. You ready for another new exercise? On your knees. You're gonna chop wood. You're gonna take this ball up high and you're gonna bring it, keeping your hips right up. You're gonna bring that ball and just act like you're chopping wood. How many of these are we gonna do? It's heads again. So we're gonna do 10. We're gonna do 5 this way, and we're gonna do 5 this way. Are you ready? Ball up, let's go. 5, 4, I'm feeling this through my core. And 1, switch it other side. 5, chop that wood. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, another exercise for you. Trying to give you lots of options with how you can take one single thing, one simple thing that you've got around your house and turn it into exercise equipment. We're gonna take this ball, put it between your knees. We've already done it under your feet. We're gonna go between your knees and you're gonna try and do a sit-up. If a sit-up doesn't work for you, you're gonna try a crunch. So let me show you both of those. Ball between your knees, activating the inner thighs, and you're gonna just simply squeeze that ball as you roll up, roll down. If you're not quite ready for a sit-up, you're gonna hold that ball between your knees and you're gonna simply crunch it up. Who's ready? You ready? How many of these are we gonna do? I'm sure it's gonna be tails. It's another heads. We got 10. I think my coin is a trick coin. What about you? Ball between your knees. I'm gonna do a full sit-up. You can do a crunch if you need to. We got 10. Let's go. 1, 2, tighten up on that ball. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You need a little extra help with a sit-up? Have somebody hold your feet. 9 and 10. Now listen, you've got somebody that wants to exercise with you. You could do a sit-up with them and you can pass that ball off. There are so many different exercises you can do with a partner. I did not have a willing partner to exercise with me today. All right, we've got one more drill for you. Remember, 10 reps or 20 based on my coin flip. We're gonna stand on up now and do jumping jacks with the ball. Now you can do this a variety of ways. We did it in our warm-up. Let's see if my coin, y'all are probably thinking, she's just not flipping it right. Look at there. It is a tails this time, which means 20 reps. This will be a good way to finish up our work in, workout, whatever you want to call it today. So every time you do a jumping jack, you're gonna press that ball forward. You're gonna press it overhead, or you can even play a game of catch and toss the ball up while you do your jumping jacks. Are you ready? I'm ready. Here we go. So I flipped a tail. That means we've got 20 reps. Find your spot. Remember, jumping jacks are like so. You can always just tap a heel out if that's what works best for you. We've got 20. I'm gonna do a variety. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna press overhead for 5, 4, 3, 2. I got 10 more. I'm gonna toss it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And keep going. You don't have to stay with me on speed. You can just do it however it works for you. We're counting that as 20. Did you see all of the different exercises you can do with the ball? And there's still so many more. We did bridges. We did a plank. We did sit-ups. We did crunches. So many things you can do with one simple toy that can act or double as fitness equipment for you. So today I challenge you, whether you use a ball or not, whether you just did that workout or not, get a coin, gamify whatever you do, let the coin tell you what exercise or how many reps to do, and be inspired by using something you've got laying around your house anyway. Use it as fitness equipment. Have fun, because fitness for sure should be fun. I'll see you next week. Let me talk to you about next week. Did you know that next Tuesday is National Superhero Day? I'm calling all superheroes to meet me here next Tuesday, 8 a.m. I mean, we're going to be doing the Superman. We're going to be doing all kinds of crazy, awesome superhero fun workout drills. Meet me here. So glad you showed up today. Keep moving.